that credential card. Perfect, right up towards the top.
That was good. Excited? Me too. Are we all set? Yeah? Shall we begin?
Yes.
Excellent. Well, you're in the right place. And we're very honored you're here. Welcome to the workshop. It's a lot, but to us, it's everything. You've met my fellow gatherers. You may call me Kembe. Despite appearance, this is not all old junk. Some of this is new junk. Thank you. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. My crew and I search the galaxy for ancient relics, looking in the forgotten places, like abandoned outposts or battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring back here to the workshop. So a stormtrooper sees only worthless clutter. Those of the know, they see priceless history. And in these troubled times, learning from our past may be the key to ensuring our future. We've all heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, right? We hear there's another. A new Jedi. She's a scrapper. Let us. Tell me her name. Rey is leading the spark of hope that many of us have been waiting for. And that is why you're here. To look ahead and to build a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of the galaxy's greatest heroes and most powerful enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. But to build a lightsaber, that's an art. The saber becomes a reflection of its builder with the force flowing through them. Today you may feel that connection. We begin with the most important component of the lightsaber, and that is the kyber crystal. It is able to focus and magnify the energy of the force. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. I like that. The color of the crystal determines the color of the blade, and you may recognize these from some of the greatest Jedi in history. Blue, like the one wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker. And we hear Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful indeed, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, known by some as the color of power. Tempting. Like the one wielded by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. The time has come to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Please allow me to guide us in this process, and everyone close your eyes. Quietly in your mind, select you. Splendid. Moving on. It is now time to pair your crystal with the saber design you have chosen. You will soon be assembling your hilt. The hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber and your center of control. It's also literally the only thing that will keep your hand from being totally disintegrated. So let's keep those listening ears on, Joe. I can sense that's the case already with the look of pride on your faces and the ongoing documentation. Please join me and stretch your hand out over your completed hilt. With that outstretched hand, an open mind, and an open heart, connect with your hilt. Excellent. You may release your hands. You have all successfully assembled your very own lightsaber hilt. And nothing unexpected. Or dramatic attack. Nice work. This does bring us to the most critical stage of the build, and that is stabilizing your crystals for activation. Builders, please leave your completed hilt at your station and just step back as far as you safely can. My fellow gatherers, who are extraordinary builders in their own right, as you have borne witness to, Nancy, are doing their final checks before placing your hilt into the crystal stabilization chamber. This must be done extremely carefully by someone with training and expertise and a very steady hand. Power cells are stable. Excellent. Everything checks out. Good. Good. Nice work. Here we go. I've got a really good feeling about this.
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. It is time. It's time to take that final step. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask you to step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and collectively, on my signal, we will activate our lightsabers together. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the step forward, please. Hand on hilt, and activate. Excellent. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you. And just like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now please deactivate and lower your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but fight your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Friends, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be accidentally dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with these special sheets as you depart. Well, unfortunately, our time is now at an end. But your journey is just beginning. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Always remember, you're just as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have built. I hope someday we're telling your story. Raise your sabers and activate! Repeat after me. Till the spire!
Till the spire!
Go forth, my friends. The galaxy awaits.
Careful.
Make good choices.
Thanks so much. Thank you.